So I just watched episode 11 of season 1 of Arrow, and I didn't really like this episode very much. Let's see. Pretty much it was about an armored truck getting robbed. And plot points is that we find out that Walter is still alive because you see the photo on the cell phone, stuff like that. And Oliver went and saw Felicity again. This time her being a part of the plot was actually, more reasonable, because he had that USB, like, encrypted USB thing, which seems more like a more likely thing to actually need help for, instead of just like, here, Google this arrow, like the last thing she did for him. So that was good. And I just didn't enjoy the episode. It's as simple as that. They're not all gonna be winners, and plus I'm like tired. Alright, bye.